Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby and Happy Harvey Hibby as well. Yes, Harvey's smelling all these ingredients that I've got out, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit exclusive for you today. It is going to be specially for Harvey because I'm making something for him. So, yes, who's a pampered little poochie? Yes, he's a pampered little poochie, isn't he? He's just adorable, isn't he? He's now 1 year and 9 months old. So yes, he's now no longer a teenager, a little man. So I'm just going to let Harvey just go and play because I'm just going to go through these ingredients with you. So yes, I'm just want to do something really healthy for dogs. And I've got this nice little book here, which is Give the Dog a Bone. And it is a lovely little book by Darcy and Nicola Milbank. That dog there is actually Darcy because it says at the beginning, for Darcy, the little squid. And you can see Darcy there. Harvey would really like to meet Darcy. I'm sure he would get on really well because Harvey is a doxy poo. He's half miniature smooth-haired dachshund and half miniature poodle. And yes, he does look more like his mum, who is the miniature smooth-haired dachshund, but he does have a lot of traits of the poodle, and he's super clever. So the recipe I'm going to bring you is something that I'm going to slightly adapt myself, and it's going to be the sweet potato pretzels. So the ingredients I'm using, of course, the sweet potato, and I've got these really fresh, just got these from Tesco, so really good quality. Flour, preferably use wholemeal flour, but I'm just going to try just the white just to see how he gets on with that, and I will use wholemeal in the future. I'm going to use some cheese, and then 1 egg, and then the secret ingredient I'm using is actually some wild mushroom powder, and this is something that I've done in a recipe. So if you want to make this yourself, do check out my how to dehydrate mushrooms, and that is a super way to add that flavor bomb, that boost of that goodness. The mushrooms that humans can eat, dogs can eat too, and it's super healthy for them. So that is the secret ingredient I'm using. So this is a great little book, and I have done a few of these recipes, and I am trying to make foods from scratch for Harvey. Now the foods that I normally feed Harvey, we started him off primarily on Bella and Duke, and this is raw. This one here is a salmon grass fed beef, turkey, veg, berries and kelp. So yeah, it is really big marketing now to feed dogs raw. We also use butternut box, and this is one that it used to be one of his favourites, but no longer. He prefers the pork one, but we actually got the butternut box and start off with about 6 different flavours, and we've really been narrowed down to 2. So it's usually pork and lamb that he prefers. He can have the beef, but he completely went off for salmon, and he did actually have a bit of an illness on a couple of occasions with the turkey one. So this video is really a bit of an experiment, and I'm going to start off doing just the snacks so that I can try and keep the cost down, because his favourite snacks are generally the Lily's bedtime biscuits, which have a little bit of lavender in. So I'm really keen to try and make that because it is expensive. He does love a bedtime treat, and he quite obediently gets into his crate looking forward to his one little biscuit every night. He loves his routine. So yeah, I'm looking forward to experimenting and trying different things. Now I do know he does absolutely love cheese, and that is something that is going to really definitely make him like this. I'm also keen to try the dehydrated sweet potato crisps, which is in this book as well, and it's actually this is the snack section to begin with, but then there's also a section here which is the treats, and then you can do the papaya cheese sweet potato tubes there, and it's simply just using sweet potatoes, ground cinnamon and honey. I have looked into the different kinds of oils that you can use, and I would always stick with either coconut or olive oil, but try and avoid the main processed oils that you do get, things like rapeseed and sunflower oil and things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this, and really looking forward to showing you at the end Harvey and whether he actually likes them. So I've got the oven set now, so let's get going. Right then, and here we now have it. The pretzels. Now these pretzels are actually a really good size for a bigger dog. Might be a little one here for Harvey, which is probably too much. I've actually created smaller cookie versions which are Harvey sized. So I'm intrigued to know whether he's going to like them. I've also got some more in, and I've still got a whole batch full here, so it's going to take a while to get these done. But anyway, pretzels. Harvey is now going to do the taste panel. Does he like it or does he not? Harvey, do you like these biscuits? Do you like these biscuits? Yes? You're nice. Sit, Harvey, sit. 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 Come on. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Come on. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on. This way. Yes. Yes. Come on. Sit. Down.